So I'm making my cinnamon scroll cookies now. As you can see, when it comes out of the food processor, this mix looks really crumbly and it looks like it will never hold together. But with the heat of your hands, all you need to do is just squish it. It's because the butter's still cold and we want it cold. So I've weighed up 20-gram balls and all I do is press them out like so. And then I grab a couple of cookie cutters. Now, if you don't have these cookie cutters, that's fine. But what you will need to do if you want to do the design on the top is find some things, jars or something like that, that are a similar size. You will need two. And all I'm doing is I'm pressing this one in the center and then pressing the next size up in the center again. And you end up with this like bullseye sort of design, and that's what we're looking for. So then once these are baked off, we'll put the icing on top.